Hello everyone.
We're at the airport. So what?
Starting to our honeymoon.
So what? How are we looking?
Same old, same old.
So what? Oh my god, you don't know how to catch the phone.
I think if I do, what will you do?
I will just relax, babe.
I should hold him. I should try to tap him.
I'm telling you, the things that I have to keep up with Kissy is like unbelievable. I just asked him to tighten the chain hook and he reversed the locket and that's not coming right now. He will break the chain right
I
here.
didn't see.
He will break the chain. One thing I ask in life, that also you can't.
Don't irritate me.
Irritation मुझे हो रहा है, ठीक है? My neck is paining. I don't think I'll come back with you from Bali. I'll stay there only. I'll
I'll
find.
come with some other person.
Should I kiss off you in public? Huh?
No.
Let's get inside.
It was on.
This is called airport.
Ah.
You never
should
saw
we-
now, baby.
No,
Your flights will be there.
What about TT?
TT is also there.
TT is also there.
Yeah.
Let's go fast and
You
stop
can
our scenes
you can get down in the middle of the flight also. Like if there is a stop for you.
Ah,
Yeah.
so nice. Ra.
How do I look, Eric?
You look amazing. Ra.
Today's haircut is actually very bad. I had
Trained
to.
professionals. Done by trained professionals. 1 second, I'm setting my.
You shouted so loud that he got scared. He did my haircut, which is so bad. I had to curl my hair and set somehow. Even then, his mother told like the haircut is very bad. Where did you get it done? इसका immigration चल रहा. What?
First
They
level
didn't
of
allow you to
security.
come.
No, they told me to keep an eye on you.
What? Never saw flights before.
I'm just waiting for them to throw your selfie stick.
Why are you so afraid of getting the selfie
I'm
stick?
not afraid.
He asked 2-3 people that can we get selfie stick? Can they? He told me.
Okay.
So I have a tip. If you want to ever take revenge on your husbands, I have a tip for all the girls out there. Yeah. Let them carry your bag everywhere you go. You just need to walk around freely, happily.
It's so mean.
Very light anyways.
I can feel that. Try to carry.
No, I'm comfortable like this. Be conscious. There are a lot of
Shy.
people. That's why he is not able to say, "Hey guys." I can embarrass him whenever I want to.
Most embarrassing moments she creates is in the movie halls. Trust me. I literally have to cover my face and tell everybody I'm not with her, I'm not with her.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hello everyone.
Hi guys. We are actually slowly speaking, baby. I think we should do it again. How should we say hi everyone? No?
Hello everyone.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello
Hi,
everyone.
Welcome back to our channel, Kissy and Teju.
Teju.
I'm so jolly, Holly.
I'm so excited
Why?
because we are going on our honeymoon trip.
We are at the airport and we are so excited to start our honeymoon. We are just waiting for boarding a flight. We still have a lot of time. We came early so that we can talk to you. Hyderabad traffic is unpredictable.
Oh, I missed a flight once.
Twice, thrice.
No, because of the Hyderabad traffic, I missed a flight once.
Because of sleeping habit, he missed twice.
No, not because of sleeping habit, I missed the flight.
He slept off
another
in the
time.
bus. Yes.
Yeah. Oh my god, that was so horrible for me.
No, that wasn't horrible. It was horrible when your father scolded you.
There is one more.
Missing the
There is
flight.
one more time when I missed the flight, but I would not like to tell that.
So, anyways, jokes apart, we are super duper excited. Are you, Bebo?
From morning, I was having this nervousness like whole day.
Yeah, from morning I don't know, guys. Let us know. Do you get chills before traveling, especially like taking flights? For me, I feel so overwhelmed, to be
I
honest.
was somehow feeling like as if I'll miss something, I'll miss something, I'll miss something.
So, today is the first day. So, we are going to vlog a lot.
Okay.
We are going to pull each other's legs so many times. Although that sounds weird, but that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that we tease each other. That's what the meaning is.
If I start teasing you, will make your face.
We are so excited and we are so thankful to God that we were able to
Yep.
do this trip. I'm really thankful to God.
Me too.
So, this is gonna be a fun time for us. We are going to take you along. Let's see what happens. Just go along with us.
No, they're Indura, this thing.
Yeah, I know, it's very good. Give me a headache tablet. This is off screen. I'm still recording off screen because I just wanted to keep this natural. I just don't want to show, okay, this is so glossy life, everything is perfect. I'm actually suffering from severe migraine.
You don't suffer from migraine, but you
No,
have
this is
frequent
kind of
headaches.
migraine.
Sometimes. And I carry always my Ramban for headache.
I'm
This
still.
is some medicine. Like when just 10-15 minutes, your headache is gone. If you don't have water, I'll fill water
I'll
and
take
come
off
for
now.
you. How will you take that with your saliva?
Without water, I'm taking this tablet.
Let me get water, one
that
second.
much headache I'm getting.
What are you chewing at the tablet? Hey, wait, let's see how, if there is any
Oh
some
my
water
God,
in
it's
this.
just stuck right here.
If there is some water, I'll drink.
We'll show the viewers our sandwiches. I brought these sandwiches from home.
Yep.
I know, typical Desi thing to do. I don't care. I love homemade sandwiches. The next 7 days, we are not having Indian food. So, this is our last Indian meal.
No, there are many Indian restaurants there.
It looks like this, but it's yummy, guys.
Yes, don't judge a book by its cover.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
I made this in just 30 minutes. I made the stuffing also. You can't see that.
I usually like spicy things, and it is spicy. I have to work. I have to finish up one.
Finish a sandwich and then you can work. Today is the last day of work. Even I have work, but I'm just testing their patience. Hey! Bold. What were about to say?
I hope your boss is not following you on Insta.
I hope that too. I don't want to bore you seeing us eat. You go grab a snack and sit in front of the TV to watch us. I just asked Kissy to get water for me. He went 30 minutes ago and then he's walking leisurely. Where have you been, Rad?
Just window shop.
I'm suffering from headache. You don't even care. Just
What I gave you medicine.
When?
What else you need in life?
when did I ask her to get her?
I gave off medicine long back. That time only I asked, should I get water? Means no. I'll take off without water.
This is the halat. There's no romance. There's no like love. There is no affection. We are
Just have a
going.
deliverable. That's it. I'll finish that.
We are going on a honeymoon or we are going on a work trip.
I'm sorry about it, but
You'll make up to it.
no. The thing is, this was very unexpected. It was a last minute thing.
So, work is more important than wife.
No, wife is important, but work is also important.
Can you prove it?
Yeah, I'll shut my laptop in 10 minutes.
In 1 second. 10 minutes में boarding है.
That's why I told.
2,000 years later.
Done with your work or no, Ram?
No, just over.
Oh my god. Still waiting for that romantic gesture of yours.
Gee.
I'm still waiting on that. That's it?
What else do you want to add?
Just shut the.
Just to once.
Should I leave? Okay, I'm leaving.
You work hard, party harder. Okay. That's the motto.
What is my motto, you know?
Mm.
I don't know. Ram.
Please, the passengers of business class can proceed for boarding.
चलो ना business pass with
We are just boarding.
Chalo, I have an idea. Right?
Hmm.
If you want the window seat,
Hmm.
okay, what will tell the person who's sitting in that seat? We are flying for the first time. Can we please sit on this window seat? What is it? Huh? Trust me to like. Anybody would give Ra if it's first time.
Babe, it's cheap, cheap
I will
behavior.
ask Ra. I will ask Ra. Why?
Cheap behavior, cheap behavior.
I will ask Ra. What for you?
Just seeing you only, they will say like.
You look like a frequent flyer. What's up, Dilta? I'll tell. It's my wife who is flying for the first time.
Just,
What if he says that make your wife sit in the window seat and he will sit in between?
people are business class people. When are we going to become business class?
I really have no idea of how I keep on thinking this only.
Guys,
Guys.
hey, you're making me conscious. Should I
You
vlog?
should be.
Is this the right gate?
Yeah, Malaysia. They don't know people flying to Malaysia flight.
I request Malaysia Airlines passenger group 3, please proceed for the boarding.
We still have a lot of time.
By the
to
time
check.
they call us,
See,
I'll download.
I downloaded so many movies on Netflix, but we just don't want to see any of those movies.
And she gave me bullshit crap that
He's
it will take a lot of time to download. Within just 10 minutes, I downloaded 14 episodes. One job she had to download our favorite TV series. Instead, she downloaded some movies. Most of the movies in Netflix I watched.
Keep complaining,
It's
Ra.
wrong.
Keep complaining.
We have this habit of watching the TV show, right?
Guys, I don't understand.
Guys.
Today, what all I did, if I say, you will die, guys. We will sit here and vlog, people will go.
Your group fire. सबसे low class people.
Let's see if they will wait for us or not. This is the test for Malaysian Airlines.
Don't try that. Ra. Don't try that. Ra.
We
I
are.
tested that patience 3 times. I don't want to test fourth time. Oh my god, that is the voice. Ra.
You try that? He's still downloading us. We will not board the flight. We will sit here and download.
Just don't shut that off.
We will download episodes and then
She
we'll
didn't call us, Nora. By the time they call, we'll download full season. Make use of airport free Wi-Fi.
There's no Bali trip vlogs because we are sitting in the airport only today.
They came to watch TV series. Spent so much money just to watch TV series only.
Should I not show them my outfit? I did not give them my outfit check. We want to do outfit checks. He's not agreeing.
Yeah, because everybody in the public will be looking at us only.
Don't look, they have their own work. Let's do the outfit
At
check.
airport, there is no work. Please, I can't. Okay, please.
It's entertaining. Come on. Be a sport.
See,
People are watching our video.
Can't do it in public. Okay, please.
You just need to walk in front of the camera. That's
No, the
it.
thing is that camera phone is visible to everybody.
Nobody will look at you. I will tell everybody not to look. Come on, Ra. Let's show our outfits. It's fun.
Okay, so listen, let's do one thing. Okay, first you do.
Okay, you show your outfit like this sitting. They can't see, na.
You go there and take photo or video of me. Okay, I'll just stand.
You see, you're boring the audience. Come on, get up fast.
I'm not wrong.
Just wait. I'll make him do it.
2,000 years later.
Start, go fast. Oh my god, he's so shy. He's just acting as if he's looking at the status of the flight, but he's actually wanting to show his outfit. Very good, Ra. Nice outfit. I'm not doing it. People just told me that they're interested in seeing you only. Here, you just need to post videos of you dancing in the airport.
That much and all.
People dance in the airports. People dance on the roads just for TikTok and Reels. We'll get that, guys. He is dancing right now. Right, it'll become viral, Ra. You trust me, if you dance right here, it'll become viral. We are about to start in 10 minutes.
5 minutes, probably 2 minutes. person is looking at us. Let's just pack everything until
I
then.
packed everything. Get my water bottle.
Water bottle is just you're carrying in hand, no?
All this while becoming frustrated with me, baby.
Supposed to board the flight at 11:15 and the departure was 12:15. We're boarding at 12:15. What about the connecting flight then? How do I lock it? Oh, directly, no.
Is this the right thing, Ra? I think our flight left off.
Don't tell me that. No, this is the flight 199.
Correct, correct flight, Are you sure? Give it done, How many you will download,
19 is on the way. Almost done. 19 is almost done. 20, 21. 20 to 24 are only 5 episodes.
We will sit here, Buji flight will go wrong. I don't know if you're hearing us. We are trying our best to talk loud.
I am trying my best to download the full season.
He has no interest in doing this honeymoon trip at all.
I have full interest.
No. You see the surprise reveal video. He's not as excited as this downloading episodes, okay?
This is something in me, okay, that I don't get excited and all for the big things, and I get excited for small things. I think I just saw balls of that gold mine. Why are you looking?
Shut up, Pete. Why are you looking around?
Because it is right in front of my eyes. What am I supposed to do?
Shut up. Is this flight correct, Ra? I don't understand. Is this flight number correct? Did you see properly?
Yeah, Kuala Lumpur 199 23B.
Once check properly.
I checked.
MH0198, Ra.
Don't make my you want to give me a heart attack or what, Rasis? Chalo.
Okay,
Enough.
we have to go. Bye.
I feel so conscious when people stare at us. I'm just wearing this hat so that people shouldn't identify me.
Travel vloggers will be like this only, Ra. We are travel vloggers. Enjoy the trip, baby.
Don't do that, seriously, I'm telling you.
Do that with me.
Not doing it, okay?
That's our flight. छोटा flight है.
Water directly to the pilot cockpit only.
That's the flight.
Straight to the cockpit of the plane. I hope I told that right.